We know that the main components of an automobile are basic structure, power unit, transmission system, auxiliaries, control, and superstructure. Now let's discuss the power unit of an automobile. Power unit of an automobile is the unit which provides power for the movement of the vehicle and functioning of its other parts. It mainly consists of engine, fuel system, ignition system, cooling system, and lubrication system. Now let's discuss each of them one by one. Engine. It is the main power-producing part of an automobile. The two most commonly used engines are spark ignition engine and compression ignition engine. In spark ignition engines, combustion takes place with the help of a spark plug. Whereas in compression ignition engines,